Have you ever wondered how a drone show is organized? It's a spectacle that lights up the sky with a mesmerizing dance of lights and movement. Today we explore the fascinating process behind the scenes. First and foremost, a concept is born. The creative team sits down to brainstorm ideas. They think about the theme, the story they want to tell, the patterns and shapes the drones will form, and the color schemes they'll use. Each drone show is a unique piece of art, a sky-high canvas that paints a story in the night sky. Once the concept is nailed down, it's time for the technical work to begin. The show's design is mapped out using specialized software. Each drone's path is carefully choreographed to match the theme and story. It's a meticulous process that requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of drone technology. Following the design phase, the team moves on to programming the drones. Each drone is programmed individually, with its specific path, timing, and lighting instructions. This is where the magic starts to come alive. But programming isn't the end. Next comes the testing phase. The drones are flown in a controlled environment to ensure they perform as expected. Any glitches or errors are addressed, and the program is tweaked until it's perfect. Safety is paramount, so this step is crucial to ensure a smooth and accident-free show. Once testing is complete, it's time for the dress rehearsal. This is the first time the show is performed in its entirety. It's a chance to see how everything comes together and make any last-minute adjustments. Finally, it's showtime. The drones take to the sky, their lights twinkling against the night, creating a breathtaking spectacle of synchronized flight. The audience watches in awe as the story unfolds in the sky above them. So, in summary, organizing a drone show involves several key steps. It starts with the birth of a concept, followed by the design phase where the show is mapped out. Then each drone is programmed individually, and the show is tested and tweaked until it's just right. A dress rehearsal is carried out before the final show, and of course, safety is a top priority at every step of the process. The next time you witness a drone show, remember the hard work, creativity, and technology that goes into creating that magical experience. It's not just a show, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the exciting possibilities of drone technology.